Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cryptic channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that how you can earn money from YouTube Live. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways that will help you earn money just by going live on YouTube. So let's get started. As I've talked already that YouTube Live is really important if you want to earn good watch time, and it is also important to interact with your audience, to get friendly with the camera and all the things. But it is also a great source of earning money from YouTube. And how you can do it, let's see. So the first way that you can earn money by going live is to get funding from your fans. There are YouTubers, there are gamers who just go on live, who just stream their content and earn money in form of fan funding, because there's a huge audience, there's a huge subscribers and subscribers of all the financial conditions. So they just share their love, they just give you love in form of the money. So you can get the funding from your fans, and the funding from your fans you can get either in the form of super thanks or super chat or super stickers. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you that how you can enable the super chat and the other things also. All right, so super thanks is great. Super thanks, you can donate your favorite subscribers some money under their videos or under their live. Super chat is specifically for the live chats that we do on the YouTube Live, that people can donate some money while chatting with you. And super stickers are basically some paid stickers, so people can buy those stickers and you will get the money in exchange of, and they will send that to in your live chat. Okay, so this is what we call the super stickers. They can share in the comments also. Alright, so this is what we call the funding from fans, and this is amazing source of earning money. After fan funding, there comes the thing that can help you earn good money from YouTube Live, that is YouTube channel membership program. YouTube allows some subscribers to just join your channel as a loyal member, and you can get them some perks like some special lives only for your members, or some personal live chat with your loyal subscribers, or you can just connect them over your social media personally. These things like fan fundings and membership programs works only for those who have a large audience, who have very good fan following. All right, these things works only for them. So let me show you that how you can enable these two things like channel membership and supers. So this is the YouTube studio of that channel where monetization is on. So to enable the supers, to enable the channel membership, you need to enable your monetization. It means you must have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. Okay, so now you have to go on the monetization section. After you'll enable your monetization, after you'll add your AdSense account, you will be eligible to enable the membership and supers. Okay, so this is the membership, and these are some, you can just set up your membership offer, right? So you can click on the start and you can click on next, and you can see that there are 3 levels. Either you can choose 1 level or 2 level or the 3 level or the 4 level. All right, so this is the first one. You can add some perks for your members, that what would be its name, what would be its monthly price, and what kind of perks you want to give them, like members only live chat do you want to give them, or members only live streaming do you want to give them. So you can just customize it accordingly. Okay, and you can also upload some badges and emojis for your audience. Okay, so this is the membership. After you done on the start, after you click on the start, you can edit your membership offers and you'll click on the setup. Okay, so this will be set up, and your audience can buy your membership by clicking on any one level, right? Level 1 or level 2 or level 3. Okay, and they will buy your audience and they'll get all the perks. So you can just go live only for your members, or during your YouTube live you can convince your audience to buy your channel membership so that you can earn money. All right, after that there is the supers. You, in order to enable the supers, you have to just enable these 3 buttons like super chat. Okay, you can just turn it off, and you have to turn on the super chat, super stickers and super thanks. Let me show you that how super thanks works, because super stickers and super chat are only for the live chat, so I won't be able to show you right now. But let me show you the super thanks, and this is almost the same. So this is a video of a very famous streamer, gaming streamer in India. Okay, this is the mortal, and here you can see that below every video of him there is an option of thanks. So you can just click on that and you can donate him some money. This is called super thanks, that you are thanking your favorite YouTuber for creating great content for you. So you can just select the amount and you can buy and send it. Alright, so this is how you can share your love, and this is how you can earn money from your audience, because people do share love, and they share their love sometimes in the form of money. Alright, so you have to just enable these things and you are ready to go. People can buy super chats for you, super stickers, and the super thanks for you. Alright, so other than the channel membership, there is another way to earn money from YouTube, that is revenue from ads. Alright, so whenever you'll enable monetization, ads will run, ads will started running on your videos and you'll get paid for them. All right, so just like the videos, your live during your live, people can see the ads, not mid rolls. It means not in the between of your live, people won't see the ads, but in the starting or in the end, people do see your ads and you can earn money. And whenever you're live, and it doesn't matter that you have came live for a few hours and it get vanished, you can save it also as a video, and whenever people will watch that video, you will get the watch time. More watch time means more ads running on your videos, and more ads running on your videos, it means more revenue. So revenue from ads is another great thing that works on live also. Okay, not just the videos but live also. All right, the other way to earn money from YouTube live is sponsorship. That if you get a high audience, if you are an influencer, you can influence people, and people are listening to you. All right, so in that case, you'll be able to get the sponsorship from big brands. People will contact you, brands will contact you, and they will ask you to promote their products or their services in your live. So you can just go live, you can just do your regular stuff, and in between of that live, you can just promote their products. You can tell your audience about those products, you can get some reviews, or you can just use them. All right, so this would be called as sponsorship, and in exchange of these gestures, the big brands, big companies will pay you. All right, so to enable this thing, you just need to have a large audience, a large subscribers, your videos are working really good, and people are actually listening to you. All right, you have a fan base, and in order to get messages from the brands, you must share your contact details in the description of your videos or your channel description. Okay, so this is really important. Share your mail ID, share your contact number, and people will contact you, brands will contact you, and they will ask you to promote their products. All right, so this is what we call the sponsorship, and many people earn good money by streaming and marketing others' product. Alright, so after sponsorship, there's a last thing, and that is affiliate marketing. You can be a part of Amazon influencer program or any other site that offers affiliate marketing. Basically, in affiliate marketing, you sell somebody else's product. Alright, so in WS Cube Tech channel, we have a complete course of affiliate marketing. If you want to learn that how you can be an affiliate marketer, do watch that course. Alright, so in affiliate marketing, basically you can promote the products of other people in your live, and you can just influence your audience. You can just guide your audience to buy those products from the affiliate link given by you in the description of live, and people will buy those products from those links and you will get the commission. All right, so this is another good way to earn money by going live on YouTube. So these were basically 5 ways to earn money by going live on YouTube. Just go live, open up your camera, speak out, create a good audience, create fame, and earn money and earn success. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit like, and if there any question or query, you can just comment down under this video, and do subscribe this channel. And if you want to watch these courses in Hindi language, then please subscribe WS Cube Tech main channel. Thank you so much.